Hello, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make these dangly earrings. Here are the two pairs I made not long ago. They are perfect for mixing all types of different beads, which can make them look very unique. So let's begin. What you're going to need is some chain, depending on how long you want your earrings to be, head pins, earring hooks of any kind, and of course the beads you want to use. And since some of the holes of my beads are a little bit too big for the head pins, I add some seed beads in the same color. First I put all beads on one head pin each. And next I make the loops. For that I measure around 1 centimeter. This depends on how big you want your loops to be. Just make sure they fit through the chain you're going to use later. And simply cut the rest off. Now I take my round nose pliers and with the smallest part I hold the wire as close to the bead as I can and bend it to the side, like this. Now you can start to make a loop, but don't close it completely yet. Take your chain and add the first bead. Close the loop, and if you need to, you can still adjust the shape. And now we simply repeat this step with all the other beads. I like to leave one empty between the beads. You can try it out and see what you like better. When all beads are on the chain, we can add our earring hook. But first we have to remove our earring from the rest of the chain. If you look closely, you can see that all chains have a little dent, and that's the spot where you want to cut it open. Maybe you need your pliers to open it up a little bit more. Then we go to the first chain link and open it sideways. Add your earring hook and close it the same way. And we're done. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.